Hello, second grade friends. Right now we're working on a phonics lesson, and we're working on the W sound. So we have W by itself, W, and we have the digraph WH, W. So typically we're just going to use the W. We'll try that first and see how it works. So let's tap out some words together. We're going to do wig, clap it, wig. So it's one syllable. Tap it, W, I, G, wig. And we'll write it. W, I, G. And I is short, so we'll put a brief, and we'll swoop it. Mark it up. So wig is with a W. Another word with a W is width. Clap it, width. Now let's tap it. W, I, width. W, I. So we have a digraph at the end, a short vowel, so a brief, with, had W at the beginning, and it's one syllable. Now let's look at some other words that do not start with just W. They start with WH. And sometimes you can hear a breathy sound like when, in, or whip. So let's try some. Let's do when. Like, when does that happen? It's a question. So, when. Here we go. Ready? So we have our digraph, our short vowel, and it was one syllable. All right, let's try whip. Ready? Tap it. And we have digraph, short vowel, brief, and it was one syllable. So those are the two W sounds, W and WH, W, that we're working on. Have fun practicing.